And now, no, as someone may catch them and say, how can the Japan get his information? And they say, young fan, they say, one me in your sem. Na waba bonting, na wabeka, send me ye dirty me, ye see ya. The see and they say, encrofwa, ebia wamon pemasem, and I menu mo aye bibi pain. Atrese, wamo empemasem, and I bonibi a course no. Bonsa wamobe contact Kennedy Japan, no more than me who information a mano. Na Kennedy Japan so waba bonting ede abetuja. Mostly that is how Kennedy Japan gets his information. Lot of times in software we expose you no aka say say wonya information no. One problem I have with the method that Kennedy Japan wonya the information is sometimes information na eba no Kennedy Japan doesn't take time to sieve through them because no who say dabi ni buefu nipa kono or attacking nipa kono nti asem bia ye de be bre no a ye be ka say nipa kono akan bia no Kennedy Japan so e de beba aba betudwa. It's the same thing Anas any Kweku Bakun nsem no. Now for the very first time Kweku Bakun atre nsem a e course wo court wonu Kweku Bakun yo bia won pe ono kra wo se embra President Akufo-Addo newspapers bi tron nsem fa ne ho wono etumi ne President Akufo-Addo kasa etre ne se Akufo-Addo mesrew menfo mo nkokot nti ono de obi a wo ba ne bi anim se wono one support sa idea ne se wo bi se udin afa kokot now so wo se bebia a Kennedy Japan say ne din du ye no de ema wo de asem ne kokot ne se impanyifo a ewo MPP mu a ebi mo ye adwuma ewo Flagstaff House wo mo kra no efa asem ne se eye ne kre ema wo mo de asem no edi wo no Kweku Bakun atem munti asem ne ye wo se reason ntia wo de kokot no some big MPP personalities in the Flagstaff House used the matter and they were insulting him Kweku Bakun. And Kweku Bakun say, say Kennedy Japan be trying to me so say, na mpanyimfo ewo MPP mu so believe in not say Kennedy Japan no oyobia asembia working bia no eya nkrofo believe. And they were the assembly be court na ne kre no aba bonten. Na assembly court no say obi a word information ne break Kennedy Japan no ye say woye some constituency B chairman B as a chairman no ne ho no wo mutu galamsey wo e na chairman no e de bemba Kennedy Japan say ane and the Kweku Bakun ene Anas wo mutu galamsey ne Bakun no so be kan Kennedy Japan so afasa asem ne say ye ne kre because MPP chairman ene de asem na bra Kennedy Japan e na Kennedy Japan etina TV radio so kan nti Kweku Bakun say answer na wode asem no be court no consem ni mu because onu Kweku Bakun so yes eya nkrofo ka say we MPP ne ba onu de bi o ka say Akufo-Addo ye na danfo nti o say o consem ni mu o consem ni no hu say asem no eyobi na e kan nipa ko no o ye MPP chairman nti onu Kweku Bakun no ye na wonya nipa ko ne number na wo friend nipa ko ne katren say abrantie onim se nsem a wo kan fa me ho nsem a wo de akoma Kennedy Japan fa me ho no enye ne kre aden na wo yesa Kweku Bakun se asem a branch ne be kan se me de one Kennedy Japan asem ne Anas asem ne me pese mebem me de me pese me ka hwe wonu Kweku Bakun betin neni e be kan Jack no na sa chairman na wone na kasa atre ne se ni de wo kan enye ne kre no chairman ni mom asanso akotena Oman FM Emma chairman no eka se ane de Kennedy Japan eka nina no eye ne kre na me na me di information ni man eye ne kre Kweku Bakun ne Anas wo mo ye galamsey na Kweku Bakun say okay ende baby asem na edu ne nkwan de e wo se ye den ye de ba abonten na ye de asem ne court na court ema ye hu asem ni mu ne kre ene ne ye de asem ne court a se Kennedy Japan ne nim akwa kogu ase e wo court ye si rule ne ba no na wo court nini makwa kogu ase poto e wo court nsem a wode ato Kweku Bakun so no eye ntro you see so Kennedy Japan no de wono tini baby o na wo bi di information abre no ende enimguase ne ba no se nipa ko na wode information ne break Kennedy Japan kra no se nipa ko ne yenim no that MPP chairman no kra yenim no na so ye Kennedy Japan na sebe wode nenim ekokoje ye ensem ni na sa wo hwe expose sa Kennedy Japan de ba nkrofo na de man wo mo de man na no so aba abonten abeka wo mo de man na no so aba abonten abeka minim ebia nkrofo no there is the same thing na na bi dia nso sa MPP chairman bi saa eno twantro efa Nana B huma Kennedy Japan say Nana B eye galamsey. Later Nana B ko hu Kennedy Japan no na Kennedy Japan ankasa ba abonten beka say one Nana B akasa na we hu ne say saa MPP chairman na ode asem ne bre wono Kennedy Japan no MPP chairman ni twantro. At this time Kennedy Japan so hu say wakase wo tie nkrofo a at the asem ebetumi the asem abre no. You see, this matter, Abano, Obi Beka se Kennedy Japan, Ebia, he believed in that MPP chairman. But you see, me, my problem, they say, Nanka, well, no, so ye in a private investigation. Nanko be who say, Assem na a yentro, and I what they took Kubakoni and Naso. See, say, Kennedy Japan has been silent. Kubakon so a mad threat. Also, one of the war monitor court, ama ruling, Wobia, we brashe bejani, wo shembra. Se court ama ruling na osi wundi mbra ne so a wonu kweku ba kono nso wonim de obeye nti ose wono de asem we nia akoso no se woni nipa kono a wodi information no e ma Kennedy Japan no one nipa kono e kasa no no wa record nipa ko no aye screenshots bibia wo mudu court no nu kweku ba kono wo release evidence nia se nipa ko yi me friend ne kasa e no deny afe wasanso kotina radio so esanso kase ya nekre wo Kennedy Japan so wo fo ane so kase trese wo de nini na eto ho enu nti na ema judge ne hu ne se ye twantro asai Kweku Baako ne Anas din. And it is this same case enu hu nti na Anas nso wo ne Kennedy Japan e wo court no. You see how the case is going. You see, and Kennedy Japan kra wa kan sa asem ne da. There is an audio that leaked of Kennedy Japan. He was crying. No waka. Say MPP for be ya no mo de Kennedy omo de ono akosha asemu asemba no mo efinechi. Say mo be kaya. I think last 2 years or say last year. Last 2 years. Kennedy Japan did that audio. No, I think it was last year or so. He did that audio. Say MPP for asemba no mo de abeshe wono Kennedy Japan kon. Ombe can be more, won't be dear, Nimin come more. He was crying. What can say one time? It was that time now. What can say one standy bium no? Time now, Kennedy Japan can say one standy for MP bium no. He was crying and saying that. Say MP before Asemba yani edi kan be freno. Ken brabe kamayo open up to me account brabe kamayo. Woko kana Asemba pe wo mu omode asem ne ba no obe so mbe twa mo ho afinichi. And there won send ya wobi de asema ya akoshe Kennedy Japan kon asemba ye no nipa kron ne kra ye ntin nka ye nka asesa nipa kon ne kra won ba social media embra embeden embe pacho it is any nipa kron na wo ye chairman na wo ka no se wo be kaya MPP for Central Regional Vice Chairman nso e kan sansem ni bi because na aye nsem ankrofo e kanti na MPP for no so ehu ne se eye ne kre Anas ne Kweku Baako nsem aye kan eye ne kre. But you see, the vice chairman was wise. Unim the vice chairman ne ye wo hu se ne asem ne ko e wo court wo hu se Kweku Baako mo the evidence Anas mo the evidence e ba e ma Kennedy Japan to me show evidence bia wo court no e na wo no sa vice chairman no wo ba bonten e be sere bo ne fache woko hu Anas ni Kweku Baako katra mo se mesremo because case wey enya Kennedy Japan pe na yede ni court no wo mo a wo mo kan bi ni ayede wo mo ko e into ono sa MPP vice chairman no wo ba bonten e be srebo ne so wo be kaya we reported on that story this year ya na report was reported our story no wo ba bonten be pacho say sansem a wakan ye efa Anas ne Kweku Baako ho no ni nina eyewei into ono de ni ruling amba te say Kennedy Japan de no but even during that time still Kennedy Japan was also trying to bring the matter out of court. Iti Kennedy Japan mo ne Kweku Baako mo kasa say wo mo ntwe ansem no free court just that Kennedy Japan who said that be the terms of Kweku Baako no Kennedy Japan no to mean this so into Kweku Baako sanso de asem no court. Kweku Baako ka tre no so wo pese atwa ansem no kokota radio stations ni TV stations awoko say me din no kwotena so na apologize na magana fo hu central na wotwa fa me ho Kennedy Japan so ka say that on to me yes ade no ti asem no san so court and the ruling aba nkrofo eka say Kennedy Japan say bi ninim egu ase no. You see? And you see, in Yama be saying no, you can't fully blame Kennedy Japan. And your more de asem ne brand no. But he Kennedy Japan also has a part to play. It is high time he stopped believing in omo de information be no de brand no so de aba no. Because Ghana Kromo has say won assembly will be the beto so no. Me say me I have experienced that before. SS assembly I dey to me so no. Me just say me yi me hu bia enye ye. Me yi me hu bia na enye ye. Assembly will be the beto so no. It is a Kenya Japan yes assembly I dey be man bia no so e dey aba social media. Die besini I have told you said this thing Kweku Bako has done akwa kosete part because Kennedy obi afa Kennedy Japan enko court e won nsem a wo ka ho da amane Bako ne e bia yen ka se Bako na wini na we Kennedy Japan kan na obi ayekom enti Kweku Bako de awa ye a certain precedence inkrofo be hu ne say okay si a Kennedy Japan yusu social media and now we use ni TV SM media me so me de no be court because Kweku Bako has done it and he has won. Asem ni nani montre mo adwen e wo comment box mo tie for me da say